This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Ed Tompkins. Spectacular townhouse in the Villas on Antique Row. Elegant, move-in ready. High-impact windows. The garage has new floors. The laundry room is upstairs. This is a must-see home with numerous upgrades. Close to Intracoastal. Small community. 2 pets allowed up to 75 pounds per pet. No aggressive breeds. No lease of the unit during the first 12 months of ownership. No less than 6 months thereafter once per year. This is a gem you cannot miss. For more information, review the details below or contact Ed Tompkins at 561-625-2700.